Why?
Because then it gets tougher.
Yeah, it's actually worked now. It's
See?
lighter.
Because then it keeps all the...
Ready?
Oh
Ross?
yeah.
Caleb, stand back. It'll be sticky.
But it's yummy.
It's
It tastes good as well.
Wait,
must
Caleb,
be the artificial sweetness.
hold this.
Can you imagine what your glasses are going to be like?
He didn't think of that.
Maybe I should have thought of that.
I've got some
It's still going.
if you want.
Yeah, right. Maybe if we
See it,
put
but you come around so you can see it's raspberry cola. Turn it round, Patrick, so the photographer,
yeah.
the videographer.
See what I mean, Caleb? Get back!
Get out. No, Caleb. But I want to think.
No, open the lid. Open the lid.
Just do it a little half turn. Oh.
That's already over.
Oh. Well, that was a vanilla Coke one.
That one failed. Anyway, now let's drink.